이를 국왕이 다시 낙선을 임명하는 방식의 엄격한 절차를 통해 선발되었습니다.
Place where students can enter. So let's say you're in this school and you have ID cards on it.
Seoul National University. So I told you guys, going into sky sun.
So when Koreans make kimchi, they put them into the pot and bury it.
In the old days, people needed a water thing on the roof for the watering system.
This monument is to show that Naksan represents the power of dragon. please don't let them do that. Because our historical monument City Wall is right behind this village. So Japan is the first place for 83 years old, but we're in the second place. So the Korea, we're going to live up to 82 years old, but the problem is most of the old people are poor. So Korean, we're going to live up to 82 years old, but very poor. Home if they live in study moon villages. So now we're gonna go up, but this stair is not as hard as. Okay, you guys get used to this kind of feel. Not really. no, Lisa. The city wall is about 18.6 kilometers long, 11 miles.